What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a very effective way to make your Windows computer find the files faster. But it's a quite time-consuming process, so only do this in the case that you are having serious difficulties in find files. For example, you open the start panel, search for something and it takes ages to appear. Or for example, you go to Windows Explorer and it takes ages to load some files. How to fix it? Go to the start panel and type index, just like this, okay? Before, take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. Now click on it, indexing options. Yours may or may not appear a number right here if you see a very big number right here, or if yours is slow and you don't see numbers, you can click right here on advanced, okay? Now on advanced, you're gonna be able to see the option right here, delete and rebuild index. And you can click on delete. This can take ages, okay? You're gonna take hours, so only do this in the case that you find your Windows computer really slow, okay? This gonna delete the actual indexing and gonna search all your system for every single file, organize and rebuild this table, okay? After doing this, it should be faster, okay? Because they're gonna redo organizing and with the best practices, okay? And that is, click on OK and wait. Mine don't need for it, so I won't do that into this computer. But as far as I could review and made into another computer when I wasn't recording, it was a very good process, but takes hours, okay? And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.